Hi everyone, and welcome to Tanya Jane English. I'm Tanya, and today is One Word Wednesday. Sometimes students tell me that they have difficulty with the word there. This is because this word actually is 3 words with one spelling. By the end of the video today, you're going to understand all 3. So stay with me. Today I'd like to thank Talia, who made a comment on one of my previous videos and suggested that we cover this word there today. Thanks, Talia. I hope this is helpful. So let's get started. Like I said, there are 3 spellings for this one word or this one pronunciation, and they are there, T-H-E-R-E, there, T-H-E-Y''re, and there, T-H-E-I-R. So let's figure out which one means which. All right, the first one, T-H-E-R-E, is a word that we use to describe where something is located. So as an example, I'm here and it is over there. T-H-E-R-E. I'm here and my car is out there. T-H-E-R-E. All right, the second one. The second one is a little more involved. This one, T-H-E-Y''re, is a contraction. In other words, we've taken 2 words, they and are, and put them together with an apostrophe to say there. This makes it easier to say and faster in speech. So instead of saying they are our friends, we can just say they're our friends. They're our friends. We can also use this word with another verb when we want to say they are doing something. We can say they're doing something. So an example of this might be they're playing music, or they're always going to the mall. The third word, T-H-E-I-R, is a word that tells us possession. In other words, it tells us that they own something. It belongs to them. So an example could be, it's their car, or this is their house. The house or the car belongs to them. All right, let's review a little and do just a quick quiz. So the first question, in the sentence, they're going to the store, which of the 3 verbs goes in the blank? Fill in the blank. They're going to the store. If you said T-H-E-Y''re, you're right. They're going to the store. They are going to the store. Next, which of the 3 words means this is their food? This food belongs to them. This is their food. If you said T-H-E-I-R, you're correct. The last example is, my guitar is over there. Where is my guitar? It's over there. Which of the 3 words do I use to say, my guitar is over there? Where is it located? T-H-E-R-E. All right, I hope that this video has been helpful for you today. I'm always looking for suggestions of words you need help with, so leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more Tanya Jane English. I'll see you next time. Bye.